Good morning, students. So children, today we'll start our case study from chapter number 6. We will discuss about our first case study. Now student, as we have already finished with the chapter, I hope you will be able to solve the case study here. The first case study I will solve here, and then rest of the case study I will give you to solve at your home. So let's discuss with the first case study here. So student, this is the case study. As I have told you earlier also that when we talk about solving case study, the important thing is to read it very carefully. Now I have already told you that when we solve the case study, we have to start reading it from down. It means the questions which we have to solve from the case. Now let's see the questions. Name the internal, external sources of recruitment used by Senior Enterprises Limited to fill up the above stated vacancies. It means there is one organization, Senior Enterprises Limited. We have to mention which source of recruitment, either internal or external, they have used to fill out the vacancies which are vacant and mentioned in the case study. And the next question is saying, also state any one merit of each of the above identified source of recruitment. It means first when we read the case study, after that there are certain position vacant in this organization. We have to find out कि this organization has filled these position from which sources of internal or external, right? And then once the sources has been identified, then we will write down the merit of each sources one. So now come through with the case study. Let's start reading the case study. Now Ashish, the marketing head, Raman, the assistant manager, and Jyoti, the human resources manager of Senior Enterprises Limited, decided to leave the company. Right? It means there is an organization where Ashish is working as a marketing head, Raman is working as an assistant manager, and Jyoti is working as a human resources manager. Right? They three of them has decided to leave the organization together. Now the CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer of the company, called Jyoti, who is HRM manager, and requested her to fill up the vacancies before leaving the organization. It means the Chief Executive Officer of the organization has called Jyoti, who is working as a HRM manager, and request her that before she leave, she fill out the vacancies which are vacant in the organization, or which are going to vacant in the organization when these three people will leave. Now informing that her subordinate Miss Alka Pandit was very competent and trustworthy, Jyoti suggested that if she could be moved up in hierarchy, she would do the needful. Now here, when CEO has told Jyoti, who is working as HRM manager, that before these three people leave, you fill out the vacancy in the organization, Jyoti has suggested that Alka Pandit is one of the employee and she is very trustworthy and competent employee. She has suggested her to move up in the hierarchy. Moved up in the hierarchy, she would do needful. It means she will be able to do whatever job will be provided to her. The CEO agreed for the same. Miss Alka Pandit contracted Kate Recruiter, who advertised for the post of marketing head of Senior Enterprises Limited. Now when Alka Pandit had joined the place of Jyoti, who was HR manager there, what she has done, Alka Pandit has contacted to Kate Recruiter. There is a recruitment agencies, Kate Recruitment, whose Alka Pandit has called and contacted, and she has advertised a post of marketing head. Right? Marketing head means Ashish, who was earlier working over there. Now they were able to recruit a suitable candidate for the company, and they have recruited the people for the organization. Raman vacancy was filled by screening the database of unsolicited application lying in the office. Now another vacancy or another vacant position was Raman vacant position. His vacancy was filled by screening the database of unsolicited application lying in the office. Means all those applications which are lying on the table, they have been screened and then the vacancy of Raman has been filled. Now we have to name that which source of recruitment has been used for all these three vacancies, and what are the merit of all those sources which has been used for filling the vacancies here. Now student, let's see. This question has came in CBSE exam of 2016 also. So this we will see just by a animated video. Now because three persons are there, those who are leaving the organization. The one is marketing head, the another is your assistant manager, and the third person is your HRA manager or human resources manager. These three people are leaving the job together into the organization. They have, the CEO of the organization has called Jyoti, who is working as a human resources manager, and told her to, before she leaves, she filled her job. Now Jyoti has told that Alka Pandit is one of the employee who is already working and she can be moved up in the hierarchy and given place of Jyoti. And then once Alka Pandit has joined the place of human resources manager, she has contacted Kate Recruiter to advertise the another job of manager there or marketing head manager. And Raman vacancy, Raman who has left, his post has been filled by the unsolicited or screening of unsolicited application which was lying on the table. Now from this same case study, we have to identify that which source we have used here for filling the vacancies of all these three positions and what are the advantage of these particular sources. So student, I have already told you that whenever we have to solve any case study, first we will go through with the question. Now see, name the internal external source of recruitment used by Senior Enterprises Limited to fill up the above stated vacancies. हमें उस इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल सोर्स ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट को फाइंड आउट करना है जिसके थ्रू ये तीनों वैकेंसीज फिल्ड हुई हैं. एंड वंस वी फाइंड आउट दैट इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेस ऑफ रिक्रूटमेंट, देन वी विल स्टेट one advantage or merit of these identified source of recruitment. Now children, see, now let's start with the first one, and that is your, this is your answers here. Now the source of recruitment used by Senior Enterprises Limited to fill up the vacancies are as follow. The vacancy of HRA manager has been filled up through promotion. HRA manager basically means Jyoti, who was leaving the job, and when his CEO has called her and tell her to fill all the three vacancies which are going to be vacant because these three people are leaving, she suggests that her vacancy or her vacant post can be filled by Alka Pandit, who is very good or very honest employee. So she told that we can move her up in the hierarchy. It means what we are doing, Alka Pandit is already working into the organization, we are just pushing her up, we are moving her in the hierarchy. Means हम उसे क्या कर रहे हैं, we are promoting her in the hierarchy. So the first vacancy of HRA manager has been filled by the help of promotion. It means internal source. Now the second vacancy. Now in the case study, the second vacancy was marketing head, for which what once Alka Pandit has joined as HRA manager, what she has done, she has contacted to agencies. Now where she has contacted to agencies and filled the vacancies. It means what agency she was using, she is using again placement agencies. The second vacancies has been filled by the help of placement agencies. Placement agencies means we are filling the vacancy by the help of external sources. And the third was the vacancy of assistant manager, where what she has done, she has gone through with or screened out all the unsolicited application which was lying on the table, right? She has gone through with all the applications, and then from these all application she has selected or filled the position of assistant manager. So what process it called? It called casual callers. What we basically do in the casual callers, we used to search the application which we already have in our office. right? And then we screen out all those application according to our need and according to the qualification which are mentioned in the application. We select the people. So this complete process is known as casual callers process. Now by this the 3 vacancy of the organization has been filled. So this is our first question, where we have to write down or where we have to mention that by which sources the vacancies has been filled. Now the second question is our in the case study was what are or mention one advantage of these sources. Now the first source was what? The first source was promotion. प्रमोशन की एडवांटेज क्या होती है? इफ़ वी हैव अ सिस्टम ऑफ प्रमोशन इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, it means the morale of the employee will be boosted out because they know that if they will work properly in future they will have a chances of getting promotion. So the advantage of promotion is that promotion boosts the morale of employees. Next was placement agencies. We fill the vacancies, next vacancies by placement agency. So what is the advantage of placement agencies? It helps in recruiting technical and professional employees. This I have already explained you in the definition of the sources also, that placement agencies we use when we want to recruit a technical and professional employees. So when we going through with the process of placement agencies for filling a vacant position into the organization, it means we will get technical and professional employees. They will get benefit to the organization. And the last appointment has been done by casual callers. Casual caller basically say it's a cheaper source of recruitment. Why? Because we don't need to advertise anything. We don't need to promote anyone by giving him more income, by giving him more salary. Basically what we are doing, the application which are already there in the office, we are screening them. We are after selecting or after going through with the process of screening, we are selecting according to our need. So it does not require any expenses of advertisement. It does not require a long period of time to search the application. So casual caller have a benefit of cheaper source of recruitment. So student, in this way you will solve your case study. I will be giving you certain case study which you will solve, and you will write your answers as you written for others homework. Thank you.